Our today's essay is positive or negative development essay. In this particular essay, I've seen test takers, they are confused. They're not actually aware that what do they have to write, whether they have to explain one aspect or they have to go for both the aspects. This is the major confusion I've seen. So we'll clear all these doubts today, but before that, let's have a look at our question. Our today's question is, some people tend to buy products or get services instantly without waiting for them. Why is it happening, and is this a positive or negative development? As we all know that we start our answer with paraphrasing, so here also we'll paraphrase it, and this statement we have to paraphrase, which begins with the word some and ends here. So now let's check how we have paraphrased it. In place of some, we have written few. Few people tend to buy products or get services instantly. We are writing prefer to make immediate purchases in place of instantly. They are writing or, we also have kept the same word or, but in place of get, we are writing avail, service, instant services. Without waiting for them, we are saying instead of waiting for them, or we can even write without any delay. So this statement we've paraphrased, and what is this called? This is called background statement or topic of my essay, where in paraphrasing, what can I do? I'm repeating for you. In paraphrasing, I have to redraft, reproduce, rewrite the same sentence, but in my own words, where I cannot change the meaning, but I should definitely make grammatical changes and I should use synonyms. And these, I've used some synonyms here, which we already have checked. In place of some, we have used few, immediate purchases, instant services, instead of waiting for them. Then there is the question, why is it happening? This question we have to answer along with this, is this a positive or negative development? These are our thesis questions. First of all, we'll answer this question, and let's see the answer. Answer is here. This is happening mainly because of impulsive buying tendencies that are fueled by effective or persuasive marketing strategies. Now, this is the reason we have given to our examiner. Why is it happening? This is happening because of impulsive buying tendencies. What they are? If this is a difficult word, what they are? Impulsive buying tendencies are where the shoppers, where the consumers, they cannot resist. Moment they see the things, they immediately want to buy. Generally, such people, they're called clutter bugs or shopaholics, who are fond of shopping. They go to market, they see the thing, they see the product, they immediately want to buy. And clutter bugs, generally, they buy things which they already have, maybe same colors, same brands, but even then they go and they buy. Compulsive buyers, because they cannot resist themselves. They see the things, they want to buy. So this is one reason behind the people, that they immediately want to buy things, or they want to avail services. But what is the reason behind this? Because this is fueled by, this is caused by the marketing strategies which are very much effective or persuasive. What are persuasive or effective marketing strategies? The marketing strategies, they are used by the sellers, the manufacturers, so that they can lure the customers, they can attract the customers, which includes at times heavy discounts, offers, or some other benefits, using your points and all. And these strategies, they become the reason that at times people again go for the things, they buy things which they actually do not require. They are buying just because there is an offer, or there is a plan, or there is sometimes they have heavy discount. So this is the answer to this question. Now this is left. Is this a positive or negative development? I believe, in my opinion, this is a negative development. This is what I believe. So same thing I've written here. This is a negative development. Now see the reason. I have to give reason to examiner. Every thesis, it should contain explanation or reason. When the question was asking why is it happening, And is this a positive or negative? We didn't write this essay, we'll discuss my views whether this is positive or negative in the upcoming paragraphs. If I go for such statements, these are actually memorized statements, copied statements, which shows plagiarism, that this is not my contribution, my creation, I've taken this information from a source. Why should the examiner give me marks if I go for memorized statements? If I go for my own answer, definitely examiner has to give me marks. And for this reason only, you must have heard so many times people saying that there is not just one fixed answer of IELTS essays. Every answer can be correct provided you answer the question, you fulfill the conditions set in the question, and you follow the format. So for this reason, please don't go for memorized statements. Maybe you are writing that statement for the first time in your answer, thinking that this will increase my bands, but examiner is not checking or not marking that statement for the first time. Examiner is already familiar with those statements. So when you go for those statements, when you write those statements in your answers, examiner will exclude them. Examiner will not take them as a part of your answer, will exclude them. So thesis gives me opportunity to introduce, to present my ideas to the examiner, which I will later on explain in the body paragraphs. Because in first paragraph, which we are discussing here, there is a limitation. I should not write beyond 50 or 55 words. I should not give examples. I should only give background statement and answer these questions, which are thesis questions. Now this answer we have to discuss. I believe this is a negative development. Now see the reason. Since these spontaneous decisions, what are these spontaneous decisions? My immediate purchasing habits, my habit of making immediate purchases. So these spontaneous decisions can result in overbuying. So this is one negative aspect of these kind of shopping habits. Hindering, hinder means to stop, block. Hindering the ability to make well considered and purposeful purchases. What is well considered and purposeful purchasing? Where you think whether I require this product, whether I should avail this service, or am I availing or buying this product because this is giving me heavy discount. That is not judicious, that is not wise shopping, or that is not judicious shopping. So a wise shopper will never ever go for such things. And this is our complete explanation to the examiner. Why do we think this is a negative development? We have introduced our ideas, and our ideas are overbuying and hindering or blocking our power to make important decisions while shopping. These ideas later on I have to explain in the body paragraphs. So this is all about your positive or negative development essay, where again I am telling you that I should go with one aspect. Even if I believe both are correct, I want to go for both, but I should select one.